If you could describe living here in one word, what would that word be?
Fantastic.
What do you like about living here at Blue Skies?
Just the atmosphere and the people.
What time do you usually get up in the morning?
Anywhere from 5 to 6.
Do you prefer waking up early in the morning or staying up?
I'm an early bird.
How long have y'all lived at Blue Skies?
I've been here since April 1st because I'm a fool, so that was the appropriate day, April Fools, 4 years ago.